Thank you. It's alright. Yeah. Keeps up. What's going on, during the lifestyle? And as you've seen the title, it's getting real close to my oil change. I'm about 700 miles away. So I'm just doing the maintenance per oil change for my car. I'm adding Marvel's mystery oil to my car. And then also I'm gonna do SEAFOAM and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna record all that process and guys show you basically what it does to your car, and I'm explaining it as I'm doing it. But anyways, I'm gonna put a shirt on. I'm gonna do my hair because it's really bad right now. But after that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, now I'm back and got my hair done. Not too special, but just want to get it done. I'm not trying to get it on a date or anything, but just gotta look good when I'm going out to treat my car to a little fluid work.
Oh, gross!
But anyways, we're gonna go move the cars because of course the Porsche is in the way. But we're gonna head to the store and go pick up that. But I'll catch you guys on the way in the process. So if you guys are new to this channel, this is my 2006 Crossfire, and of course if we just double tap that, you'll see that we actually have 600 miles left until we need an oil change, which is the perfect time to do these kind of things. As you're doing all these additives and things, that junk doesn't just disappear. It gets in mostly in your oil, so you definitely want to drain that as soon as possible once the whole procedure is done. But that's why I waited till now to do all this. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure if you look over there, those flowers at that sign, I'm pretty sure they're for X, because I've been seeing a lot of those recently. I can't read the sign right now, but yeah, they were definitely flowers. There were flowers by that sign, and a lot of people have been, I guess, who don't live where he died and the memorial and all that, they've been putting flowers by signs to represent him. So I think that's what that's for. So RIP to X. We just picked up the Marvel's mystery oil. It's this really cool style red shit. I don't really know what it is. I mean, it's mystery oil, so pretty much. But anyways, what I'm be using it for today is I'm adding it to the fuel system because it will clean the fuel injectors and all that, instead of using the SEAFOAM, because I'm using that just for the intake. I'm not using the SEAFOAM gas tank additive this time. But yeah, I'm adding this to the gas tank. Since mine is a 15-gallon tank, I will be adding about 6 ounces, I think. If I did the math right, I'll double check. But it should be somewhere around here when I'm done. But also want to add to the oil, since my oil, the Crossfire, has an 8 quart capacity on the car. It takes a lot of oil, so I'm definitely going to be using a lot of this. Basically, I'll pour this into the gas tank as much as I need, and then I'm gonna use the rest of this for the oil, and I'll catch up with you once I do that. Just arrived at the gas station, just a normal Exxon, but I'm gonna fill up the car with about 6 ounces of the mystery oil, and then I'm gonna add the gas, 93, and then we should be good. It should mix up well at that point, and then I'm gonna head home and probably do the SEAFOAM, run that. That'll be in a separate video, but I keep fucking up my window, but I'm running the SEAFOAM and then get back to you guys. So couldn't record putting this in the gas tank because I didn't have a funnel, so I was trying not to make a mess. My hands are actually a little messy right now because I had to poke the little thing. But anyways, filling it up with gas right now, and it just stopped. So I have just filled up 11 gallons. But pop the hood. I'm about to go do the oil. My oil is probably like 75% low, so I'm gonna put the majority of that in, check the oil, and then if it needs any more, I have some more oil right there that I'm gonna top it off with. How's it going? Not much, just put more oil in it. Thank you. It's alright. Yeah. Keeps up. Yeah, that's when I hit it. Yeah, I do. Thank you. So as you saw, I just finished up putting the oil additive, the serious oil to the oil. Also added a little bit more oil. Now I have it topped off, and it's right at the max line, so we should be good with that. So I'm gonna drive this around for a little bit, have it to the house, and then do the SEAFOAM, and then we'll hit back the road, and that'll be in part 2. But anyways, I'm gonna get home and finish this video. Alright, so now I'm back at the house, so I can wrap up this video. But basically what we went over today is that Miss Marvel's mystery oil is pretty much a good additive for your gas. It's pretty much like SEAFOAM, but I've heard reviews that it's better, so I thought I'd try it myself. But it pretty much cleans all the injectors, it cleans the fuel filter, and cleans all that. So that's always good. It's supposed to increase gas mileage, increase horsepower, and stuff like that. But anyways, I just want it because I like maintaining my vehicle, and I recommend that you do the same thing. But if you are looking forward to the SEAFOAM video, I'm about to shoot that right now. Definitely subscribe. It'll be the next one coming. But outside of that, if you're new, definitely leave a like, subscribe, comment what you think about Marvel Mystery Oil. If you like it, if you use it yourself, if you don't, just let me know. Anyways, catch you guys in the next one.